Tired. Right, good morning everybody. It's Saturday. It's about 8:15 in the morning. So I'm knackered. I had a very late night last night. But we're going to do something a little bit different today for you. Basically, get out of this road. Basically, we're going to work. Not to work. We are going to help a buddy out at work, Johnny. Basically, he's just bought an EP3 Type R, which is one of my favourite Type Rs. I've always wanted one, and I've never actually driven one. And he has got a new TSS induction kit and some wheel spacers, and we are going to fit that on his car. I ain't an expert. I obviously fitted mine, no problems. So if anything cocks up or we do anything wrong to start with or anything, it's because we don't really know what we're doing. But they're not really hard to fit. So I've got a bit of knowledge. I did mechanics at college for about a year, so I've got a little bit of knowledge, but not a great deal. And I've never worked on an EP3 before, but I thought it'd be quite a good bit of content to put on the channel. Yeah, it's not the FN2, but the EP3 is probably the most, well, it is the most popular Type R that was made. I think it's 2004, 2005, I'm not too sure. We'll obviously ask him when we get there. So I think it's the facelift model, not too sure. I'm sure it is. But it's nice, it's got carbon bonnet, it's like a matte black colour, it's had a respray and all that. And it needs a lot of work doing to it, but that's why he's bought it basically. It's like his dream car, bless him. So yeah, we shall drive to work now, and then I shall see you when we get there. Maybe get a footage of getting there. See you in a bitch. Right, so we've made it. Awful fucking weather, which is terrible, but this is Jonnys 2005 EP3, and it is the Premier Special Edition, isn't it, I believe, which means it's got the facelift's got different lights and bumpers and all that, isn't it? But the Special, I believe, is the calipers are different. They've got embossed calipers. And they're like embossed, aren't they? Right there, it says Type R. The interior is the main thing for me. Different seats as well, isn't it? It's got Recaro seats, and they're much nicer, I think, than the others. Very nice. And tinted rears as well, isn't it? Like these are all tinted, that's tinted. Jesus Christ, it's windy.
Slightly lower as well.
Yeah, slightly lower. You fitted the wind deflectors, obviously. These, and it's custom paint, which is like a matte black, like a fucking matte carbon fibre bonnet. spaces and the TSS induction kit. We're going to do in a minute. Unfortunately, I can't actually put a live video up of what's fitting the induction kit because there's people working down here, because we're at work in the factory, and there's radios playing, and obviously I don't want to get my ass raked for copyright and all that bollocks. So I'll put like a video time lapse up of it. I don't know if you can see like fluff on this stupid fucking microphone. Anyway, so yeah, we're going to fit the induction kit, fit the spaces. I'll put a video, time-lapse video up of the induction kit, and I'll put some like before and after photos up of the wheel spaces. 15mm spaces all round. Put 15s on it all the way around, which is going to make a big difference. I think I've got 15s on the front, 20s on the rear on my FN2. fucking loud. When you're driving normally, it sounds quite the same. But when you put your foot down, then it makes a big difference. Fucking love. Why did you clean your car yesterday, Johnny?
The VTEC band today as much you want.
Big difference that, isn't it, to the usual sound. You just get that lush like suction sound in it. Right then, Johnny's going to be nice enough to let me have a little biz in it. So I'll hand the camera over to him in the motor and then see if we can get a reaction to me driving. Well, first of all, mate, I've got to say that the driving position is lush. The seats are well comfy as well, aren't they? And the thing that I like the most at the moment, obviously I haven't proper booted it, is the positioning of the gear stick. It's just proper, it's right there. Like it's almost, well, this car's clearly been designed to be driven fast, which is always good. Right. So I've just got to get used to this biting point. Fucking hell. That feels so much quicker than mine, it's unbelievable. Like, not loads quicker, but it just feels so much lighter. Like, so much lighter. Which it is. I mean, mine's got 1 brake horsepower more than this. One. But mine weighs a lot more. And it's just, I don't know, it feels lush. It's like a go-kart, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Very direct driving.
Yeah. I love it. What I'd love I'd love to have mine as like a daily driver. Yeah. Because it is fun to drive, don't get me wrong. I love my car so much. I've always wanted to drive one of these. And
it's time to
if I could have my FN2 as like a daily driver and this to like mess around in, that would be amazing, wouldn't it? Just as like a toy.
It is.
But I can't afford that. There we go. Excuse my gear changes, it's the first time I've driven this car. Fucking hell. That's fucking awesome, mate. And that sound from the TSS.
Yeah.
It's fucking lush. Just fucking pulls, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Fuck me, man. I mean, so does mine, don't get me wrong, but I don't know whether it's because it's lighter and smaller that it just feels more responsive. But you can see why this is one of the best hot hatches that's ever been made.
100%.
Without a doubt, I mean, it just doesn't stop, does it? Fucking hell. I love it. My first drive of an EP3 Type R, and I want one. That's very cool. It's 6-speed, yeah? Yeah. Love it. Well, obviously, thank you, Johnny, for letting me drive your EP3.
Anytime.
It's taken us how long? We fitted 4 wheel spaces, we fitted the TSS induction kit. It started at what, just after 9 o'clock in the morning, and we were done by what, 12:30? 12?
Yeah, trips take like 2.5 hours to get there.
So that's not bad at all, is it really? So massive thanks to Johnny for letting me drive his car, and I think
Yeah, massive thanks for your help, man.
no problem at all, mate. I enjoy doing it. I enjoy working on cars. You know what I mean? I'm in no means an expert, and neither is Johnny. So if we've done anything wrong, I don't really care. It looks awesome, it sounds awesome, and yeah, I think that's a really good place to end the video with a massive smile on my face off my first drive of an EP3. So please do all the good stuff, like, comment, share, subscribe and all that. Massive thanks to all the new subscribers. Like I say, this channel's only been up and running for about 3 weeks and we're nearly at 50 subscribers already, so massive thank you. It is all appreciated, and as I always say, keep it metal.